From being an engineer to a home chef, and now leading an influencer and a video marketing team, my career has really been a roller coaster ride, man. My name is Tanish Shah. I was one of the students in the very first batch of IIDE back in 2016. And the skill sets I've learned there have laid a very strong foundation of what I'm doing right now. I've worked on brands like Dream11, Netflix, Astral Pipes, Hershey's, ITCs and many more. To be honest, my career was genuinely an accident from choosing engineering and my decision to do an MBA. I restarted my career at the age of 25 and joining as a junior position in a digital agency. Eventually, I wanted to do bigger things and explore business part of it, so I joined business development, and that's when the career started taking a hit. You need to be equipped with the best skill sets to be in the digital space, and thanks to IIDE, it helped me build it. If you're looking for a digital marketing course and with the best faculty members from the industry, I think IIDE is the place to be.